pressure cleaners, pressure washers, soft washers. Danger, danger, danger. Let's talk about putting a jet at the end of your pressure gun. So whether it's an Xjet, a JRod, or any other variable nozzle, having a device centimeters away from your finger is paramount to be aware that it is so easy to remove a finger, and if you can't scratch your ass, that's going to be big problems. So I wanted to highlight this, and if you haven't seen our videos on the Xjet and how it's used in the soft washing industry, I'll put links below to that video. I've also have other videos on YouTube, and all our videos can be seen under Blue Tongue Industries. If you check that out on YouTube, multiple genres: window cleaning, gutter cleaning, pressure cleaning, soft washing. On one particular video, we disconnect or separate the Xjet after the venturi and move the variable nozzle to the end of a lance, keeping the suction tube still close to the gun to manage the hose, but moving that danger at a distance on a fixed lance. It can still be used the way it's intended with a quarter quick disconnect or M22 to plug into a lance, but I know there's a lot of operators that do use it in this manner to manage the hose. So having high pressure so close, using your soaps, surfactants and your SH in going from a variable nozzle to a pencil jet with a little bit of that soap and surfactant on the end, it is so easy to slip off and take that finger off. Trips, hazards, PPE is so important. Adequate glasses and gloves when carrying out and using such dangerous tools looks after number one, and that's you. Let's run you through some of the precautions. So using a grunty system today, and you can check that out, that's 5,021 litres a minute. So often you will reduce the pressure to reduce your overspray with your soft washing, to limit that overspray of that soap, surfactants and SH over you, the operator. But such a dangerous tool, from a variable nozzle to a fan jet, within seconds can remove a finger. Picture the scenario. We're house washing, we trip over a hose, we go to adjust the variable nozzle, we've got soap and surfactant over the end of that, and in a pencil jet configuration. There goes your finger. Adjust it. Mate, someone else will be scratching your ass, so be aware of the dangers of that pressure at a pencil jet coming out inches or centimeters away from your finger. Could be a JRod, could be a Vario nozzle. It's still danger, danger, danger. Okay, I was being an idiot highlighting the dangers of that, but how paramount is that, and how easy can an accident happen when using such high pressure so close to your fingers, to your eyes, to your body? So if this video, me being an idiot trying to cut an orange or trying to cut an apple, saves you or saves one of your employees, then it's a well worthwhile watching it and sharing it amongst your staff. Safety is paramount, and looking after number one, yourself, should be on your highest priority. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.